still got a Christmas tree up. I'm gonna take it down though. What's up, my people? How you doing today? How you doing today? I am about to cook, so I want you to come and cook with me. I'm gonna be trying out something new, making some cauliflower rice, some stew chicken. So I want you to come cook with me. So I am making stew chicken. This is how we say it, not stew. Stew chicken. So this is it right here. I'm gonna cut it up a little bit more, or maybe I'll cook it just a bit, but I know. Over here is the ingredients for my cauliflower rice. Here's the cauliflower right here. I have ginger, garlic, onion, bell pepper, carrots. I'm gonna put carrots in my stew chicken. Here's some parsley. I have some Maggi, sea salt, thyme leaves. What's this? Tomato paste, parsley, seasoning. Oh wait, I was all up in your face. What I'm gonna do is put the chicken back into the refrigerator, let it marinate a little bit more, and I'm going to wash and cut up this cauliflower so it can look like rice. I just watched a video of a guy doing it. I don't have a food processor. I do have a blender, but I don't want to use that, but he grated it, so kudos to him on that, because you know I grew up grating coconuts, so there's nothing. Everyone, so now I'm about to make my cauliflower rice. I am making it in this big pan here. I moved over the pan with the stew chicken. It's on another burner. So I'm going to add, this is my first time, okay? So I'm using my avocado oil. They say usually you would use a teaspoon, but you know, I can put a cork of avocado oil. You can use whatever oil you want to use. Alright, so based on the recipe that I saw, they said you can cook the cauliflower rice for 5 to 9 minutes. And you can season it how you want. So I'm going to start with some garlic, because I love garlic and everything. And ginger. Alright. And I'm going to add some onions. And I'm going to add a little bit of this. This is Maggi. Right? And I'm going to stir this up. I'm going to add a little bit of parsley to this. That was parsley. Now I'm going to add the cauliflower. It's starting to get a little brown, so I'm going to add some of this sauce right here. This Leah and Perrins. I can't really say this word. Add a little bit of that. It's going to give it a nice flavor, because I love this sauce. I'm going to add this bell pepper that I have here. It's red and green, just to give it some color, you know. I'm going to add some more scallions to that. And a little bit more parsley leaves. And some more onions. And I'm just going to stir it up. I'm going to add some dry leaf thyme. This is what I brought back from Guyana. Cilantro. This all-purpose seasoning. You guys see me use it a lot.
This looks so good.
Oh my goodness, that looks bomb. I can't wait to try it. I tasted some and it tastes good. It tastes proper. Alright, let me finish off this pot now. So I gotta add flavor to it now, because I really put no kind of flavor, nothing. I just fried the chicken. Now we're gonna flavor the pot. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of sugar to this. added here some all-purpose seasoning that I brought back from Guyana. This right here. This is from Linden. Let me show y'all my plate. I'm feeling also good right now because everything looks good. Looks so good. Alright everyone, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for cooking with me. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you feel like you want to try out what I did in this, then feel free to do so. And this is my dinner right here.